Okay, this is going to be a video on pivot tables, but with two variables. So pivot table on how to look at two variables, one categorical and one continuous. Now imagine you want to understand plan type, like imagine some phone company or cable company and their plan types, and income, the relationship between the plan type and the income. So you might highlight both. Then to do a pivot table, you go to Insert, and then you click on Pivot Table, and it's just going to cover the two things that were highlighted. And then I'm going to click OK, and I'm going to drag and drop plan type down here, drag income over here, and this is count of income. Now, that really doesn't make much sense for this situation. We'd more want maybe the average income. This is really just the number of people. Alright, so I'll double click on count of income. I'll click on show values. I'm going to click on, I'm going to click on summarize by, and I'm going to click on change count to average. Okay, and after I click on average, I'm going to click OK. And then I'm going to highlight it, and you can format, highlight, right click, format cells, and I'll click on currency. I'll get rid of decimal places, and now it's in currency and bot. And you can also get rid of the blank. The blank doesn't really make much sense, so you can click on this down arrow and you can choose what you want to show. Now this is off the screen, but once you click on that down arrow, there's going to be a list of all the options. I'm going to get rid of the blank. I'm going to uncheck the blank. And after this, there you have the pivot table. You can easily make a graph. Click on Insert, and you click on Column, 2D Graph, and there you have a graph. It's very easy to quickly do that. And you can see the average income at the different plan types and how to adjust the graph. You should go see the video on graphs. And there you go, pivot table with one categorical variable and one continuous variable.